In this quick study video, I'm going to show you how in the same Excel workbook you can view multiple worksheets from that same workbook at one time. As you can see, I have a workbook file called Sales open, and it tracks for this company called Simply Cupcakes Inc. sales for the 12 months of the year in this particular case. And then there is at the end of this a year-end total sheet, which I'm going to display. And the numbers are derived from a sum function in each one of these cells that is going to sum, and I'm going to open that up, the January through December worksheets and give the totals for the year end. Now, if I made a change, which I'm going to do in any one of these sheets, I'm going to make a change in the chocolate cupcake sales for Baltimore in the January sheet and increase that to $5 million, which is pretty significant. Then I do see the change occurs here in the totals on this sheet, and also on the year-end sheet, the totals have increased. Now, while I can go there and look, it would be very convenient to see the change happen. So what I'm going to do is undo the $5 million change. And before I make that change this time, I'm going to go to the View tab here in Excel and click on the New Window button. That's going to give me another instance of this particular file. At this time, I'm going to click Arrange All, and I'm going to choose Vertical, and I'm going to vertically tile the windows of the active workbook when I click OK. And that's what happens. On the left-hand side, I see the January worksheet, and I also see the same worksheet is displayed on the right. But what I'm going to do on the right is now display the year-end total, and on the left, make the change in the January sheet like I did before, but it immediately reflects on the right-hand side, which is great.